Get ready to upgrade your cleaning game with 10 Amazon cleaning gadgets of 2025. These cutting-edge tools are designed to make cleaning faster, easier, and more efficient than ever. No more wasted time or effort, just smart solutions for a spotless home. Let's dive in. The JOYMOOP Mop and Bucket system is designed to handle any surface with ease, whether it's wood, ceramic, marble, or vinyl. Its three-layer microfiber pad quickly removes dirt and absorbs stains, ensuring a spotless clean every time. With 360-degree flexible rotation and a 90-degree no-dead corner design, it reaches deep into tight spaces, tackling dust on floors, walls, windows, and ceilings effortlessly. The hands-free cleaning system allows for quick and easy washing and drying with a simple squeeze, keeping your hands clean and dry. Plus, its compact design makes storage hassle-free. Say goodbye to messy, time-consuming mopping. JOYMOOP makes cleaning fast, efficient, and effortless. The Sunshine electric air duster features a powerful 550-watt blower motor, delivering high-pressure air to remove dust and debris with ease. Unlike traditional air cans, this eco-friendly alternative saves you money, eliminating the need for disposable compressed air. Designed for quick and efficient cleaning, it gets the job done in just 1 minute, making it perfect for electronics, keyboards, and other delicate surfaces. With its lightweight build and long power cord, the Sunshine electric air duster offers hassle-free operation, ensuring a cost-effective and powerful cleaning solution for home and office use. The triangle mop is designed for effortless cleaning with its 360-degree rotatable triangular head, reaching deep into corners, under furniture, and along edges. Its wet and dry functionality makes it perfect for floors, walls, windows, and ceilings. The 3 microfiber pads provide strong water absorption and trap dust effectively. With a slidable automatic wringing system, you can squeeze out excess water with a simple twist. No messy hands or extra buckets needed. The extendable stainless steel handle ensures durability and easy maneuverability. Ideal for all hard surfaces, the triangle mop makes cleaning faster, easier, and more efficient. The PUFTEM electric spin scrubber offers an upgraded cleaning experience, making household chores effortless. With multiple replaceable brush heads, it meets all your needs, from tackling stubborn grime to gentle surface care. Enjoy 180 minutes of runtime with an LED display to monitor battery life. The adjustable speed lets you choose between 350 RPM for low speed and 400 RPM for high speed. Easily assemble and switch between the corner, scouring, sponge, cloth, and flat brushes for versatile cleaning. IPX7 waterproof, easy to clean, and simple to store. This scrubber makes cleaning faster and more efficient. The JIGOO bed vacuum cleaner is a powerful 500 watts handheld vacuum designed for deep cleaning your mattress, eliminating dust, pet hair, and allergens with 13 kPa strong suction and a 13,000 RPM rotating brush. Its smart dust sensor detects and displays real-time cleaning status, ensuring thorough results. Equipped with UV and ultrasonic technology, it eliminates 99% of unwanted particles, while the 130-degree Fahrenheit high-temperature feature enhances sanitization. The 16 feet long cord allows for easy maneuverability, making it perfect for large areas. Enjoy a cleaner, healthier home with JIGOO. The KOKITEA magnetic window cleaner is designed for safety and efficiency, making window cleaning effortless. Its magnetic isolation frame ensures a firm grip, allowing you to clean without the risk of leaning outside. Simply apply glass cleaner and let the double-sided magnetic design work its magic, reaching both sides of the window simultaneously. With a 5-gear magnetic adjustment, it adapts to different glass thicknesses for secure hold and streak-free shine. Whether for high-rise windows or home use, this tool makes cleaning safer, faster, and more effective. The BEAUTURAL fabric shaver and lint remover transforms your clothes with an effortless before and after effect, restoring their fresh look. Featuring adjustable shaving heights and a 3-sized hole mesh, it adapts to different fabric types for precise, gentle care. Its sharp and durable blades, along with 2 extra replacements, ensure long-lasting use. The safety lock mechanism prevents accidents, while the dual-speed setting lets you customize the power. Designed for comfort, its ergonomic grip makes handling easy. The included cleaning brush helps remove remaining fabric baubles, and the collection container empties effortlessly. Revive your garments and make life easier and smarter. The AUXITO Car Vacuum is a powerful 4-in-1 cleaning tool designed for vacuuming, blowing, inflating, and air pumping. With 14,000 PA high-power suction, it quickly removes dust, debris, and pet hair from cars, homes, and offices. Its ultra-lightweight 1-pound design and cordless feature ensure effortless cleaning anywhere. The long-lasting battery provides up to 30 minutes of runtime, and fast Type-C charging keeps it ready to go. A 160mm dust cup allows for mess-free disposal, while multiple nozzles tackle hard-to-reach spots. Compact, efficient, and versatile, AUXITO makes cleaning a breeze. The OXO soap dispensing palm brush delivers suds on demand with a simple push, making dishwashing quick and efficient. Designed with a comfy non-slip grip, it ensures a secure hold even when wet. Say goodbye to messy spills. This brush guarantees no drips, no dribbles, keeping your sink area clean. Its twist, lock plus clean mechanism makes refilling soap effortless, while the durable bristles tackle tough grime with ease. Perfect for everyday use, this brush streamlines your cleaning routine, providing a hassle-free and effective way to scrub dishes while keeping your kitchen neat and organized. The glass rinser is the ultimate kitchen upgrade, reaching where you can't with powerful water jets that thoroughly rinse residue in seconds. Faster and easier than soaking or scrubbing, it effortlessly cleans even the toughest spots, making it perfect for busy kitchens. Designed to rinse most standard drinkware, from baby bottles to wine glasses and travel cups, it ensures spotless results with minimal effort. Its sleek, versatile design blends seamlessly into any kitchen, while its compatibility with most faucets makes installation simple. Say goodbye to tedious hand washing and enjoy a more efficient, mess-free cleaning experience with this must-have kitchen sink accessory. That wraps up our list of 10 Amazon cleaning gadgets of 2025. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome gadget finds. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you next time.